Hello. So here is a custom desk, custom made setup for the developer, developer. You can see I have two laptops and two monitors, and I have to work from the chair because I recently have back pain. I had to custom made this desk. It is also with motorized engine motor, and I have added an extra table under it which is custom, and also I have added a custom layout for the keyboard and mouse, because when you sit on this chair you have to place the hands at this level if you have back pain, because if you put your hands like this up on an upper level, then your back muscles here will be contracted and you will have back pain, which I also had. So the solution to the back pain is to move your hands at the chair level so that your trapezius muscle is not contracted. This helps you in not going to the doctor so often, and not needed kinetotherapy so often. Of course, you still need to get up sometimes and move and stretch. So let's take a look from the upper level how this looks. You can see the laptops are here, the keyboard is here. The keyboard is going inside if you want to retract it and have more space at the desk, or you want to work standing in the standing position. So that's all. Hope it helps you with your back pain, and if you have questions, drop me a message. See you.